Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 6294. This ran from the 8th 2009 to the 4th 2015. It has a 4056 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 4056 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifters, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,